Today, you guys, we got 2 slabs of spare ribs. I'm gonna be doing the cookout for Labor Day weekend, but today we're gonna prep the meat. Cut off some of this excess fat here. And cut some of this fat down. Leave some of it because some of it will render. Flip it over and do that side. This little flap here, you can cut it off. Get more nice uniform shape. To use the spare ribs, I'm gonna cut it down to the competition style St. Louis ribs here. Well, we can save this one for later. And cut a little cartilage here off the end. Get more squared up. Make that St. Louis cut, competition style.